Meteorologists call it a bomb cyclone, a ferocious winter storm that's sweeping across parts of the central United States, bringing hurricane-force winds and heavy snow that has left more than 1,000 motorists stranded. At Denver International Airport Wednesday, runways were shut down and more than 1,300 flights canceled. Tens of thousands of people lost power in Colorado and in Texas. And major roads in Colorado were closed after whiteout conditions made it nearly impossible to drive.
Never have I seen anything like this. This is crazy.
The storm was blamed for the death of a Colorado state trooper who was hit by a car sliding on ice on the highway while he attended to a car wreck. By Thursday morning, the storm was moving eastward, but a state of emergency was still in effect in Colorado as schools and government offices remained closed, with meteorologists warning that parts of Kansas and Nebraska should prepare for the storm's arrival.